Today has been a rather uneventful Sunday, but I just had a burger. I think it kind of perked me up. This is the devil cake that my husband got me that's not vegan, but it was good. I'm thinking I'm going to throw the rest of it away. But so we had something called Beyond Meat. So this is it, and this is the crumbles, but it comes in burgers, like a burger patty. I'm telling you, you cannot taste the difference. You cannot. So my husband, he made me that with gluten-free, I think this is gluten-free. Dairy-free. Anyway, one of the better buns. And using this ketchup that I found, I can't remember, Kroger's or something. Tomato ketchup that's organic. Oh, and then the mayonnaise, you guys. Have you tried this? Now, I've heard stuff about veganese. Is this the one? Yeah. But have you tried this one? This one's really good. Yeah, it's really good. So that's what I had on my burger, and it was delicious, and it gave me a little bit of, oh, and of course, it's very important to have pickles. You can never, you can never have too many pickles and ketchup. So I think that kind of perked me up, and now husband got me some vegan chocolate chip cookies, which I don't know if these would be considered cookies because usually they're kind of smaller and separated, but we'll do with that. We'll work with that. But yeah, I'm just gonna bide my time, and I'm just gonna sit here and try to have what Lydia Millen likes to say, a clear out. A clear out. So that's what we're going to try to do. I got all this stuff here too. Let me put that in there too. Just basically a big old pile. Trying to figure out the best way, because I have to put these towels have to go like 2 shelves sort of, and then I have this space to put stuff in, and here, and I don't know, I can't seem to get it right, so we're gonna try to do this. I also wanted to kind of talk about some things that I'm okay with and not okay with. Okay, look. Like I said, I'm going through menopause. I'm sweating a lot more than usual. When I go out, I cannot take any chances that my deodorant isn't going to work. I'm glad that this is aluminum free, but so far I have not noticed any difference. So I'm afraid that I hopefully will not get cancer. But in the meantime, this is not going to work. I have to have stronger protection. So it's cute. It's really cute. But yeah, I'm going to have to let this one go. And I did decide, where is it? I decided to get rid of this. It smells horrible. It just does. However, I am going to keep it because I like the sheen. It says it's supposed to have diamond dust. I saw that. I was like, what? No. But it's good for the hair. So it's like both hair and body. Yeah, but it doesn't smell good. So you're going to need some kind of good stuff still to smell good. Someday you guys have to help me. Someday you guys got to help me to use these things. I never use them. The face stuff, like the things, if you do it over 2 weeks and, you know, magically, you know, whatever happens, happens. I just don't have the patience, you know? I just don't. And like my smaller samples, I like them also easy to grab so I can try them. So I'm going to do this. So skincare, this stuff smells, it just smells horrible, but it works. It smells like Elmer's glue, like everybody says. That must be what it is. I think I'm gonna add, so I have this right here that has all my kind of like extra stuff that I want to make. Like this is actually a scrub that I put in here that I made with actually table salt, Epsom salt, a bunch of other stuff. So I like to make that, and so I have that in there. I forgot to tell you about this too. If you ever see these, you gotta grab it. It smells so good. So this is Shea Moisture Lavender and Wild Orchid Calming Bath Body and Massage Oil. Oh my gosh, you guys. So I put this in, like I put a little too much, but I put some in my bath, bubble bath, because it smells so good. And then it also has a shower. They also have like one for bubble bath and stuff. It smells so good. I highly recommend it for sure. Look at how things have changed. Once again. Remember when this was used for makeup? I don't need to use it for makeup. I actually need it for something else. The actual use that it's for. That's getting old, like old people do. Maybe I need to buy myself some Geritol. You guys remember that? Baby powder for chafing. What else? Now I got to take Hazel stuff for my urinary tract. I mean, it's just, I'm thankful to be growing older, don't get me wrong, but you know, it's a little inconvenient. There is some inconvenience, some things that I got to get used to. So, yeah. So, managed to get all the towels on the bottom. I still have some towels in the wash, so they'll probably come halfway up. But I managed, look at all this teeth stuff that I have. I don't know. But also because there's so much industry around skincare, tooth care. You know, used to be you just had a toothbrush and toothpaste and that was it. Call it a day. Not anymore. I got my charcoal stuff that I do, that I switch off on. Anyway, so I got all this stuff. And once again, there's all my medicine, there's different things that I need, and that's extras. So I managed to get it done. I'm happy with it. I was able to empty that cart. So yeah, very good. Job well done.